Hey guys, good morning. So today I'll be going over the methodology of the 1% profit day trading strategy. So I'll be going over like the Bollinger Band, the numbers, like I told you guys in the last video. They're like, it's not the same numbers that, it's not the default setting that we use. Then I may touch a little bit on risk management, but that will be like an entirely new video. But I'll talk about it a little bit. But we're gonna also like see, how this system or this strategy performed like over the last week. I was able to take a trade on Monday, that's the only time I was able to wake up, in the London section. Apart from it, I slept all through in the other days. So, but we're gonna like go back in the charts and try to like simulate the trades and see what would have been the outcome. So alright guys, let's get into this. Right, so I'm gonna like quickly pull up my chart here. Hold on, yeah, my chart is okay. So the week started on 4th of January. This week started by 4th of January. So I will put this chart like this, remove this and remove this. No, hold on, remove this and remove this, right? So I can be able to go back all the way to the 4th. Don't worry, I will zoom this in so you can see the candles very well. I'm just trying to get to the 4th. So that's 7th, that's 6th, that's the 5th. Okay, so that's the next one coming up. That's, hold on. This is, we're getting into 4th now. Yeah, this is 4th, right? Yeah, that's what I told you. So I'm not gonna go the way. Okay, well, let me say like 4th started from here, this particular line here. So let me like increase it a little bit. Yeah, so this is where 4th started. I think I may increase it one more for you guys so you can be able to see everything very well. So guys, let's say this was the line, right? Boom, trading starts, guy. I'm not gonna put any trick to this. I'm just gonna follow the system the way I told you guys. So first of all, guys, I want to tell you guys the settings. So if I go to my indicator list and go to my Bollinger Band and go to edit, right? I'm using period of 100, division of 1.5, apply to close, and the color red. That's all you need to know here, guys. So period it changed to 100, division is 1.5, and apply to close. You can put any color you like, but I'm using the color of red. I say okay to that. So guys, like again, I'm saying like I'm using only Bollinger Band for this strategy. So I will do like close. I'm thinking, should I run this as like a simulation? No, but let me just do it like this. So then the day start on 4th of January. We keep going. Don't forget, like I said, guys, I trade only on London section to US section, right? I use sections, times in sections to know like ranging and trending market. I assume that okay, if London opens, that market should be trending. They should be, they came to work, right? They should be putting in trades. It doesn't happen like that most times, but it doesn't happen like that all the time. But most times you expect it to happen like that, right? As opposed to trading in Asian section. Sometimes market may trend in Asian section, but not like, it's not something that happens most times, right? You expect also when US opens for market to like trend in a direction. You see what I'm saying? You don't expect when US people come to trade and come to work or something, market is still ranging. It happens sometimes, but not most times, right? So that's why I start in London section, which is like 10:00 MT4 time. So right here, I'm gonna go all the way to 10:00. I'm looking at these times here. So I keep going. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 26, 24, boom, 10. So let me put the line right there. So let me put the line on 10. So this is 10 right here, guys. So this is 10, right? So boom, that saying I woke up here, right? Sometimes I do wake up by 9, but hey, I woke up here. This is 10, right? So I looked at the market. I know the market already come out of the Bollinger Band, but I woke up here. I didn't catch this move or whatever. I didn't even know that it's up to 10 pips. I don't know. I could check. It's not up to. It's around like 8, 9. Okay, but yeah. So I'm looking at the markets. It didn't go off like off. I want candle to open and close, above the Bollinger Band. So boom, right here, market went, it went and closed above the Bollinger Band, but like I need like many candles to go and close above the Bollinger Band. I don't like this kind of settings. I don't trade setting whereby it's like only one candle that closes above the Bollinger Band. I like to see like more moves like candle to close above the Bollinger Band. So and wait, I like this setting, right? I like many candles close above the Bollinger Band. And now I'm looking for a trade, right? I told you guys I'm gonna look for a healthy candle inside a healthy bearish candle, that close below the top Bollinger Band. So right here, this guy has a lot of wick. This guy also has a lot of wick. When the wick is more than the body, I don't even trade it. Even if it's a good trade or whatever, I just leave it, right? So this one, the wick, right? See the wick here to here is more than the body. The body is small, right? So I leave it. I don't even trade it, right? So that disqualifies that signal. So I look at here, still almost the same thing happening. No healthy candle, I could say here. Everything is just like ranging. So I wait again, just see when I took a trade actually. So I took this trade actually. It went after the Bollinger Band, boom, and it came in. This is a healthy candle, but this was basically inside the Bollinger Band. Look, it's inside the Bollinger Band, like it's touching the Bollinger Band. I want everything to be like open and close inside without touching the Bollinger Band. So actually one I saw that did that was this. Boom, boom. You see I have a green line there. See, I didn't care, or let me say the stop loss was right here, you see, which is like 10 pips, like 10 pips. I took the trade here actually. So when I took the trade here, it went 3 pips, it went against me 7 pips, but I didn't hit the stop loss, right? I kept holding, I took the trade in this green line. I kept holding. See, look, it didn't hit the stop loss. Stop loss is above this line. Let me read it. It's above this line. So it didn't hit stop loss. Okay, it came down here again. Let's see how far it went here. 5 pips. It didn't reach 10 pips. And what happened? Boom, 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 boom. And what happened? It finally hit my stop loss right here. So that is first lose trade. So I put on Monday OP1 minus, so if I lose trade is -5. Hold on, no, minus 10 pips, sorry. That's, you have to put the pips right there. Minus 10 pips, right? Which is -5. Yeah, so first trade, lost. Now, why you were paying attention to the sell, right? To the sell that I took then, right? A buy signal appeared, right? This is a buy signal. Look at it, right? So the many candles that could below the Bollinger Band, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are really many candles, confirmation candle that closed below. And now I'm looking for a healthy buy, and these candles went up in here, but it's touching the Bollinger Band. I left it, and now I could see this healthy candle right here because the wick is not really more than the body. I think they're like the same thing. So I picked a trade here. Actually, I entered early here, but normally you're supposed to pick it here. So let me put it like where you're supposed to normally pick it. If you picked it there, the stop loss is gonna be like around like 7 pips, just a little bit below the wick. And then what happened? It went all the way to like 10 pips, right? So you have a second trade that was profits. So this one is 10. So we're looking for the third trade. So now, like I told you guys, risk management, as I will talk about it a little bit, right? If I lose 2 trades in a row, I stop trading, which is like 1%, right? But if I lose and win, I still have chances to like, make more trades. You see what I'm saying? Like if I had lost the second one, I would have closed trading for the day. You see what I'm saying? But since I lost, right? And now I won, I still have chances to make like more trades. So it's like I've equaled out, so I could, say make more trades. So because I've not lost my 1% for the day. So now, boom, what happens? It came all the way up here now again. price came out of the Bollinger Band. Look at it, boom, boom, boom. You know, a lot of candles out of the Bollinger Band, and then a healthy candle right here. So, but this candle, like I told you, is touching the Bollinger Band, so I would just basically like leave this candle. You see this one, right? This healthy one right here. This healthy one right here, you see. Now, but now the issue is having this one is like the stop loss sometimes is above 10 pips. But I want a stop loss of like 10 pips, right? So regardless, you just put your stop loss at 10 pips. Sometimes what I do with the experience is that I wait for the market to like reverse a little bit before I now enter the trade, right? But that one I will talk about that one later when I talk about like tricks, you know, and cash to this system. But hey, if you took the trade here, you would have taken your 10 pips right here. Is what I'm saying. Boom. That's under like third trade in profit. So this is like OP trade was 10. He hit. So looking for my last trade now, because right now we are like 0.5% for the day. So boom, boom, boom. Many candles outside the Bollinger Band. You know, look at it right here. We are selling 4th of January, and then boom, candle entered inside. This should be considered a healthy candle. I should be looking for signal from here. So like I said, I think I entered the trade around this like green line. So if I did that, so 10 pips, boom. So what happens, guys? I check out of the day, like I'm not trading again. 10, boom, like I've already got my $10 for a day, which is like 1%. I go over to Tuesday, right? So I don't even bother looking at the candle again. I just like, close my MT4 for the day and go to like, Tuesday, like the next day. Yeah, I don't overtrade. So Tuesday the same thing. I go all the way 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right here. In fact, I have the candle, I have the line on 10 right here. So 10 I woke up. I saw market was already outside Bollinger Band when I woke up. So basically I woke up in a very good time. I'm looking for a trade, right? I'm looking for a trade which is like, okay, boom, market reverse, came inside the Bollinger Band, and now this is a healthy candle right here. So if I take trade here, my stop loss is gonna be around here, a little bit below the wicks that was formed when it was going down or when it was trending in the other direction. And then boom, it went up like, okay, see 10 pips right here. Boom. On Tuesday, right, first trade was worth 10. Guys, by the time I show you guys the combination of this with risk management, like the one I said, like, 50-50, if you even like win like, example, 50 trades and lose like 50 trades, example, like here where I won like 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I win this last one, 5, I already won the progression and I already made like 60% of the money I was risking or whatever. When I show you guys that one, you guys will be so excited. But let me continue. So boom, market went outside the Bollinger Band in the top. Boom, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, so many candles up. I was moving this, and then I'm looking for a sell, right? So look, market came inside right here, make a very nice healthy candle right here. I like this trade. My stop loss is around here, which is like 10 pips. Boom, it went down 9, 10. You see, 10, right? So sometimes you watch these things, but don't get emotions into it. Don't overtrade or whatever. So second one, 10. Boom, I remember 1% for the day on that day, right? And I don't bother again, guys. Like I told you guys, I don't look at the chart again. Like, don't overtrade. Like, this is my target, 1%. I go over to 6th, so 5th, 6th, which is on Wednesday. Okay, this is 6, right? So again, what are we looking for? We're looking to go to 10, like the London section. Guys, I'm being like fast here because I don't want this video to exceed 20 minutes. I'm really showing you guys a week analysis, which is something I've not done before. I said, let me just show you guys these things. So if you want to run with it, you can run with it. So I woke up here, boom, 10, right? So what am I noticing, right? This may be tricky because actually, market went over the Bollinger Band. I mean, if we are so fast to, wake up when this candle is forming, like if you woke up, like you don't have to wake up by 10, you can wake up by like 9:50. That I said 10 doesn't mean you have to wake up by 10. 10 actually is 4 a.m. No, sorry, 3 a.m. EST. So if you woke up around like 2:50 EST, you are fine. So if you woke up, you would have seen this candle and you would have taken this trade. Boom, first trade on Wednesday is 10. Like guys, this is real, and this is only on Euro USD. I've practiced this. I mean, I don't know that it works on other pairs. But yeah, so boom, that one go. So see, this one is tricky, right? I told you guys, like, I could see, out here, I could see out here, but I didn't really see much candles, outside the Bollinger Band, even though this one, like, made like it's whatever. But hey guys, it's not gambling. I'm not trying to like say something that is not within the strategy. This is not a valid, formation, so I didn't even take that trade. Boom guys, this is a valid formation, right? A very valid formation, right? So I will have to draw a line here because so you could know. So a healthy candle inside, boom, this would have been there, but this was touching the what is it called, the line, the Bollinger line. So I'm gonna be looking for another one, which is like this one. But hey, see what happens here. 8, okay, this is still valid. 8 pips stop loss, and right here. So what happened? This thing went to like 3 pips. Hold on, it didn't go 10 pips, and what happened? It went, and this was the stop loss line I drew. So second one, he stop loss. Guys, you gotta be very real with this. Like, don't put your emotions into it. If you hit stop loss, you hit stop loss, you take the next trade. If you lose 1%, you stop trading for the day. It's as simple as that. So and that one came out of the band right here. I'm looking for a head candle inside. I will take this trade, like this one right here. Even though it's touching like, but it's like a very healthy candle. Like sometimes I use my experience, guys, to take trade. So I see this is like, good stop loss. Again, it went down to 8 pips. It never went to 10 pips. And let me mark the stop loss here, guys. So stop loss I mark for this one will be like around here. So stop loss, I give like stop loss like 2 or 3 pips from the week. Like if this is the week, right? I give like this is this is not even up to 2, like 2 or 3 pips. Make sure I give like 2 or 3 pips from the weeks. This is around 2. So I took the trade here. So you know where I took the trade, right here. But let me see what I could go further to just show to be able to see everything. So I took the trade here, right? I mean, I said here, so this is a healthy candle. This didn't reach, but it reached here. I never touched my stop loss, right? So, but don't forget, within this candle, when you have a trade, always be looking out for other trades, right? So when I have this going on, I have this also here that formed again. So I have, markets come out of the Bollinger Band. Like I'm looking for like 2 candles, at least 2 candles that close outside the Bollinger Band. So here I see like 1, I see like 2. But since I have a trade open like this, I may not want to take another trade. But even if you're taking another trade, like, okay, there's another formation right here, you would have also like hit your like 10 pips or whatever. But hey guys, I'm not trying, like I said, I'm trying to stick to the rules here, right? I use my own experience and discretion to also like trade. But for you guys, like you want to follow a system, you want to just like follow it till you get like you master, and then till when you have experience, you can use your own experience. This is just it, right? Second one is take profit. So we have, what have we done for the day? We have made like $5 dollars. We lost the other one, right? So let's see whether we can find whether there's another trade that gave us good money. So okay, boom, market came all the way down here. So so we're looking for a buy, healthy candle inside. So we looked inside. This one would have been a healthy candle, but now again, like if my stop loss is more than 10 pips, I don't even take the trade, so that trade there may have been halted. So it went like 5 pips. So this trade, right, let me say you took this trade, like I don't also take trade that is close to the middle Bollinger Band. Like I said, there is a lot of tricks into this. But let me say you took that trade, right, right here or right here. Let me hold on. So let me say you took the trade right here, right? You would have hit your stop loss somewhere here. So that day, I'm gonna take the loss so I could show you guys something. So that day, I will call it -10, right? So actually, there are 2 things you can do here. if you lose like 2 times, you may want to like stop trading, right? I'm about to end this video right now on Wednesday. You can do Thursday and Friday, guys. If you lose 2 times, you may want to like, stop trading, right? But don't forget, you have not lost 1%. You may want to keep trading, right? But like I said, I use timing to do this trade, right? If by US section, right, around like around like 12 p.m. EST, I have not hit my target. I stopped trading because I kind of feel like after 12 p.m. market is just like, ranging or whatever. I mean, market also trends around like 2 p.m. But I just try to, stop trade and now, trade the next day. I'll be like, okay, this day wasn't like that, So guys, what you can see here, from Monday to Wednesday, you can do Thursday and Friday. Like I said, these things need you to like practice and other stuff. Is that I won the first day, I won second day, the third day was, equaled out. And then I don't know what happened on Thursday and Friday. Like I told you guys, I didn't trade it. I used my robots and other stuff. So I'm just trying to help you guys that have like sometimes like trade manually to see what you can do. Simply like easy Forex, like easy risk management. Stick to the plan and just make your money. Use this and go pass any FTMO challenge, any like trading challenge or whatever, and boom, you are there. So guys, I'll see you guys next week. But most importantly, guys, if you can practice this, you are good to go. Practice this, you can add your own experience to it or add your own whatever to it. But as simple as this is very, very, very profitable. All right, I will see you guys next week. And I don't know if I have time to show you guys my robot analysis. I do that sometimes. Let me see what I could show you guys quickly. So pretty much the robots has been doing great. Let me see, continue to my FX book. The transparent trader, this week was up by 3.94%. Hold on, let me show you guys something else, because some people may be like, I'm no longer showing the analysis, but it's like because of time. The copy trader is this week up by 5.33%. Let me see the other one. The master was up this week by 4.31%. Which other one do you need to see? Oh, my Phoenix EA. I mean, I could show you everything. Everything is doing well. My Phoenix EA was by 2.68%. And then my index trading, I love this one so much. The one that trades only US 30, NASDAQ is now 40.39%. And I like it very well. And I like the way it trades. This week it's up by 6.48%. And guys, that will be for this video. And don't forget to like hop into my Telegram channel and ask me any question you want. You want how to get your robots or whatever, and I'll be happy to like guide you and help you out. All right, cheers, take care and have a good weekend.